QuickBooks Error H101. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1, Verify Hosting. Step 1, open QuickBooks on the workstation with the H101 error. Step 2, select File and then go to Utilities. Step 3, Next, if you see Stop Hosting Multi-User Access, select it. Step 4, repeat the steps in all the workstations. Step 5, once done, move to your server computer and open QuickBooks. Step 6, select File then Utilities. Step 7, if you see the Host Multi-User Access option, select it. If Stop Hosting Multi-User Access is an option, don't select it. Solution 2, Run Database Server Manager via QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1, open QuickBooks Tool Hub or download it from. Step 2, go to the Network Issues tab and select QuickBooks Database Server Manager. Step 3, click on Start Scan if you see your company files. Step 4, if you don't see your company files, browse to the location of your company files and click Start Scan. Step 5, wait for QuickBooks Database Server Manager to auto-repair your firewall permission. Step 6, once done, click Close and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3, ensure that QuickBooks is running. Step 1, press the Windows plus or buttons together to open the Run dialog box. Step 2, type in services.msc in the open field and press OK. Step 3, browse and look for QuickBooks DBXX in the service window. Step 4, double-click on QuickBooks DBXX to open the Properties window. Step 5, in the General tab, ensure that Startup Type is set to Automatic. Step 6, then ensure that Service Status shows Running. Step 7, now, go to the Recovery tab and select Restart the service. Step 8, then press OK and apply to save the changes. Step 9, once done, repeat the same steps for QBCF Monitor service. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.